I dance like no one's gonna see, and I love like nobody can hurt me. You might think I'm a little strange, but I'm not gonna change.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have so much cleaning to do. We are going to start off the video with some laundry. I had 3 big loads of laundry to fold and put away, and then we're also going to go ahead and do some decluttering. So something I've been doing lately is slowly decluttering through our clothes instead of just doing it all at once. I've been working on it over the past few weeks. I've been grabbing anything that's too small for my daughter. I've been putting that in the donations bag, things that I don't wear anymore, leggings, shorts, all kinds of stuff. I've just been grabbing those pieces, throwing them in the donations bag so I can compile a big bag of clothes and go and drop those off. So sometimes that's easier just to grab pieces as you go so you don't have such a big decluttering task later on. And now I just wanted to go into the closet and finish grabbing everything that I know I don't like anymore and that I don't wear anymore. So one of the reasons I started decluttering through my clothes is because I found I wasn't wearing a lot of the pieces that I was buying recently, like in the last couple of years. And I would buy something that I think is cute, wear it one time or take it home and not end up wearing it because I didn't think it was flattering on me. Like, I don't like how it looks on me, and I couldn't figure out why, because I really liked the piece. I really liked that top. I've actually learned that there are certain colors that are best on you. And I had a consultation a few months back with a company called Color Guru, and they basically told me the best colors that are most flattering on me. And I think I was an autumn fall, and muted colors look good on me, which I do have some of those colors and I do wear those pieces the most. And now I know some of those other colors and pieces I purchased, I don't go to wear it because I don't feel like I look good in it or I don't feel good in it. It's probably because those colors aren't the colors for me. So it's really interesting. It's super cool. They have like an Instagram where you can check them out, and they just teach you like the right colors for like your makeup to wear that's going to be flattering for you, and then your clothes and stuff like that. So you kind of learn a lot, and it makes a huge difference how someone can be in one color of a top and then change to a different color and they just seem like brighter. They look like they're glowing. That's another thing why I've been kind of paying attention to the pieces that I don't even end up wearing, is probably because the colors aren't suitable for me, and that's why they sit in my closet and I end up donating them.
Yeah, baby, I will find. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real?
Okay, so this is the last load of laundry that I need to fold. That was 3 huge baskets of laundry, you guys. So I was feeling pretty proud of myself at this time. So I'm just gonna speed up through this so we can continue on to the video and other cleaning tasks besides the laundry.
I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know?
So it is day 2, and we are going to tackle some more cleaning tasks, some things that I had to get done. I'm just doing a little bit each day because I am busy running my business. I do lashes and teeth whitening and all of that fun stuff utilizing my esthetician license, and it's just been a dream come true to be able to do it and just build my clientele up. It allows me to connect with women every day in person, which has been really nice because I've been doing YouTube and I've been home doing like a stay-at-home, work from home mom life for the past 8 years. And before that, I was a manager and running somebody else's business. So I miss the in-person interactions with people, and I wasn't getting that over the years. I felt isolated a lot of times, and even though I had you guys and I loved showing up on the internet and connecting with you guys and DMs, messages, comments, and those things, it's not the same talking to a camera and then just only texting with you guys and messages. You need more. You need more of like real face-to-face interaction, and I've been loving it. So I've been able to connect with women that come to me for services, and we can just talk for hours and chit chat and have fun and learn, get to know each other. And I just love that part of this business.
Stop worrying about worrying, we will keep turning. Doesn't matter what I do, trying to be open and keep my head up to words not spoken. Makes all the difference to me and you. Show you the place that I go to when all the lights are faded out. You're gonna see what I'm all about.
So I got this new room spray that smells absolutely amazing, you guys. I am not even joking. It has clean ingredients. It smells so good. I love to spray it in my lash studio before clients come and just spray it around the house, my bedroom. It is so good. I'm gonna try and find a website for it because it is a local business, a local shop here, and I don't know if they have an online store. So I'm gonna try and look for it, but I promise you, if you purchase it, you're gonna absolutely love it. It's not affiliated or nothing like that. I don't have any connections with the company or anything, but it smells so good. It's one of my favorite room sprays and favorite scents that I've ever smelled before.
Doesn't matter what I do. This time I will go wherever you go. I will stop being a no-show. I know. This time I will go wherever you go. I will stop being a no-show. Never stop believing in you. No matter what I do, never stop believing in you.
Never up, never down, never.
So another thing I'm doing is going to be posting some different type of content than just the cleaning content. You guys, it's just been a lot of years of filming and cleaning where I have lost the passion of cleaning because filming it makes it 10 times more challenging and more time consuming. I have already started filming other content that I am going to post on my YouTube channel along with cleaning videos as well. But since I've been doing less cleaning videos and just cleaning my house and enjoying that time without moving the camera around and worrying about angles, and I can just really do a cleaning task as is. I've been enjoying cleaning again. So it's not the cleaning part, it's the fact that it's so much extra work filming cleaning videos that I got kind of burned out from it. I wish somebody else can film me cleaning, then I think I'd be fine. I'd enjoy just cleaning, doing my thing, running around the house, and I wouldn't have to worry about the camera, but that's not the case when I'm creating these videos and it takes us hours longer to clean a space that might only take us like 45 minutes if we aren't filming. So I wanted to share that with you guys so you guys kind of know where my headspace is with that too, and why there's less cleaning videos lately. But I'm definitely going to be posting, a couple a month and pick back up on my videos. But I do have some other type videos coming, like some hauls and more like day in a life type reset videos that you guys know I enjoy doing those because it's kind of showing my whole day, and it includes a little bit of cleaning as well.
Get up again. I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me, there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Still holding tight through every fight, 'cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day, always the same, until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shades turning brighter, I don't know how. You showed me every heart is a fighter, time is now. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. You're
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this clean with me cleaning motivation video. I hope you did get some motivation from it. Make sure you comment down below and say hi. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Also, give me a thumbs up so I know that you liked the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.